Hello guys, you all are welcome to Happy Love Home channel. So today episode we are going to I'm going to teach you how to calculate your menstrual cycle for you to know how long your menstrual cycle is. Okay, this video is for both people that have long menstrual cycle and also short menstrual cycle. This video is for you, and this video is not just for female alone, even the male too. If you are a man and you want your wife to get pregnant, okay, this video is for you. Just learn it, teach your wife, or you can share the video to your wife to also learn it. Okay, because a lot of us don't know how to calculate our menstrual cycle, because you have to know how long your menstrual cycle is for you to know your ovulation day. You have to know your menstrual cycle for you to be able to calculate your ovulation day. Okay, in our next video I will drop in on how to calculate your ovulation day. Okay, so let's watch the video. So this is how you are going to do it. Let's assume that Joy saw her first period on the month of November on 23rd, which is this 23rd. Then she have to wait again till the next month. Let's assume again she saw the next period on the 28th. The next month that you see your next period, that is the first day your period starts. So let's assume that Joy's own on December started on the 20th. So you go and take that 28th. Then let's assume now again on January, you wait again till January. Let's assume again that Joy still see her period on the 16th. You cycle that first day that you saw that your period, the first day. Let's assume that is 16th. Then maybe January again, which is because you want to get the 3 months. Okay, so February again, Joy saw her next period on the 12th. She have seen it. Now let's calculate Joy menstrual cycle, because she have seen her November period, see her December period, see her January period, see her February period. Now let's calculate it now for you to know how many days your menstrual cycle is. Okay, so we are going to start from November, depending on the month that you start counting it. Okay, so you saw your first period on November on 23rd. Now you are going to count it. That first day you saw that your period, that the period started, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You have seen it. 28, you do what? You write it down. You go and do what? You write it down. 28. Yes, for 1 month. If you calculate it, you find out that it's 28. So you write it down, 28. You now say again, which that first day you saw that December on, you start again to start counting it again. You have already found out that it's 28. You start again from that same month, this December that you saw your period. So this is the first day you saw your period on December. You start again. You start afresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You see that it's still 28. So you write it again. It may not be arriving at the same thing. So let me say in that month, you just go and write it down, 28. 28. Maybe in that month, you go and write it down, okay? Okay, this is it, 28, yeah. So that month, you write it down. Then this on January, you saw your next period on January. You start again from that date you saw it. You have already written 28 on this month. You drop it. We have 228 now, abi? Okay, which is 2 months. You have find out how cycle you're out for 2 months. So remaining 3 months again. You now count the first day you saw your period on month of January. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 is still the same cycle. So your own may still be like, if you want to get the accurate one, just write it down, whether it's 28 or 30, anyone that you are getting, just write it down. So it is still 28. So we have find out for 3 months how long our cycle is. So you have gotten first 28, this is another 28. For second month, this is another 28. Now add all these 28 together, add it together, add the thing that you get on the first month, second month, the third month, add it together and divide it by 3. Anything that it gives you is how long your menstrual cycle is. Now let's do it. So now you have seen it. Now look at it. You have first gotten 28, 28, 28. So you now add it. The first month you calculated was 28. The second month you calculated was 28. The third month you calculated was 28. When you add all these 28 together, you get 84. So 84, that thing you get is not much, is this thing that I said. It's you that know when you started your period, you start counting it. So that thing you get, divide it by 3. Anything that it gives you is your menstrual cycle. Anything that it gives you is your menstrual cycle. Okay? Shebi you don learn am now? Oya, wetin I want now be say make you carry your pen, carry your book, go sit down, watch this video on countless time the way that you think that you understand it. Go and sit down, carry your pen, carry your biro, start doing this calculation. After doing it, put it on the comment section. I'll come and cross check it for you to know whether you got the accurate menstrual cycle length. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your comment. Do your own. All right. So a lot of people will be like, because the normal cycle length for a woman is 28 days, but it's not everybody that have this 28 days menstrual cycle. So if you look at here, you see that 28 days most normal for women, it is okay. If you still have 21 to 35 days, it is still okay. Okay, look at it, it is still normal. So don't be panicked, there is nothing wrong with you. Okay, whether 28 or 21 to 35 days menstrual cycle, you are still okay. Just calculate it and know how long your menstrual cycle is. So guys, you're welcome back again. Hope you learned how to calculate your menstrual cycle now, right? Please don't forget to follow this channel. Just help us click the follow button, share this to your loved ones so that they can able to learn how to calculate their menstrual cycle. On our next video, I'm going to teach you how to know your ovulation, to calculate your ovulation. We are going to take it step by step. We don't want to rush it so that you'll not be confused. Okay, I'll be dropping the next video on how to calculate your ovulation. Okay, I'm going to calculate how you know your ovulation, the day that you're ovulating, so that if you do that thing, you go get belle, and if you no wan get belle, make you no do am on that day. Okay, so this video is for you. Now what you have to do for me is to click the follow button, share for more updates like this. Okay, I love you all. If you have any question, you can still drop it at the comment section. I will come back and reply it.